Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Resurrection Motorsports. On today's episode, we are going to correct a little accident I had with the F-150. Ironically, I had made the same mistake twice. So, just dumb on my part. Anyway, so about a year or so ago, I was running a junk removal business using the F-150. And I attached a truck bed toolbox to the trailer that I was using for the junk removal. This was great as far as having extra storage space for tools and whatnot. However, the backup radius attached to the trailer changed drastically. And in that, I backed into the trailer twice, backing it out of somebody's driveway. And yeah, crushed both the taillights on two separate occasions. So yeah, that was fun, learning not to jackknife my trailer into the toolbox. Had the toolbox not been there, no harm, no foul. But because the toolbox was there, crunch, now I have two broken taillights. So in today's episode, we're gonna replace those taillights with a set of taillights I ordered off of the infamous eBay. Ooh. Anyway, it was $100 for both of them. They look brand new. They look great. Let's get into them and into replacing them on the truck. 3, 2. All right. So as you can see here, we're out at my beautiful magnetic gray 2015 F-150, and let's zoom in here. You can see where, so all this damage right in here was here when I bought the truck. I got a pretty steep discount on the vehicle because of that, but you can see the bottom of the taillight here has already busted out. This is completely busted. Yeah, it's toast. Oh look, can we zoom in on that? Cast a shadow maybe? Look, a little spider decided to make a home in my taillight. How interesting. But anyway, let's zoom out here. You can see down here on the bumper, maybe, where I kind of scraped it against the trailer and whatnot. So anyway, we're gonna get into replacing this thing. Let me show you guys the taillights that I got. Got these right here. I ordered these on eBay, $100, replacement taillights, all red with just a clear on the reverse part there. I think they look clean, pretty happy with them from just getting them out of the box. They do have an SAE number on them, so I guess they're legal. Let's look at what we're getting into here. So the only tool you'll need for this, as long as you have a non-blind spot, is this right here, an 8mm socket or wrench if you are the adventurous type. So anyway, we'll look right here. There's an 8mm bolt right there. There's another one at the bottom. We'll remove those, pull the tail light out, and go from there. Let's get into it. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get these 8mm bolts out of here. Now these are stuck in there with that's pretty easy. Twist counterclockwise quarter turn on your bulbs. I do run LEDs. As you can see here, these little, I don't even know what they're called. These little tits, they lock into the body, and so they can sometimes give you they're kind of snug. Just give it a nice little tug, and let's replace it. So we'll put the new one in. Installation is the exact reverse of removal. Line up your tabs for your bulbs, quarter turn back into place, lock them right in, line up the little tits with the holes here. and reinstall your bolts. And there you have it. New replacement taillights for broken taillights are done. Let's check this out. So we got a nice clean look here, all red. I like that a lot. I actually I prefer the all red to the, I don't like this cutout. I think it breaks up the line of the taillight. I understand it probably serves a purpose that DOT or SAE or somebody wanted, but I prefer the all red better. It does stick out a little bit more here, but I think it's more in line with probably what a blind spot indicator taillight would look like. So I'm happy with it. I think it looks great. So we'll knock this out and be on our way. All right, there you have it. Both taillights replaced. They look great. I love the all red with just the white for the reverse lights. It looks amazing. I think it looks really well with the magnetic gray. And that's it for this episode. Nice, short and sweet, to the point. If you're watching this and you just need to replace the bulbs, it's exactly the same process. You just don't have to buy new taillights, because you probably don't attach a toolbox to the back of a trailer and then back into it like a dummy, like me. So anyway, we learn from our mistakes. But again, that's it. As always, don't forget to eat, pray, wrench. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And I got a little bonus for you this time. You can use this whenever you want. I'm outie like a belly button. Love you guys. See you next time.